Welcome to our journey of transforming old wooden garden planters into stunning modern decor. In a world where sustainability and creativity go hand in hand, repurposing vintage planters not only breathes new life into cherished items but also adds a unique touch to your outdoor spaces. Whether you're an avid gardener, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone looking to enhance the aesthetic of your garden, this guide will inspire you to embrace the beauty of redesign. As we embark on the art of redesign, you'll discover that the process is as rewarding as the final result. With a little imagination and effort, you can transform worn-out planters into eye-catching pieces that reflect your personal style. From selecting the perfect color palette to incorporating modern design elements, the possibilities are endless. We'll share insights on assessing your planters, choosing the right materials, and implementing creative techniques that celebrate both their history and your vision. Join us as we venture into this exciting adventure, where old meets new and creativity flourishes in every corner of your garden. As we reach the end of this transformative journey, we hope you feel inspired to take on your own projects with old wooden garden planters. Remember, every planter has a story waiting to be told, and with your creativity, you can give it a fresh narrative that enhances your garden's beauty. If you enjoyed this video and found the ideas helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content that celebrates gardening, DIY projects, and sustainable living. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and fellow gardening enthusiasts who might also want to embark on their own redesign adventures. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for our community. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create. Redesigning old wooden garden planters is a creative endeavor that combines artistry, sustainability, and functionality. As gardening trends evolve, many people are looking for ways to blend the charm of vintage items with contemporary design elements. Wooden planters, often rich in character and history, provide a perfect canvas for transformation. By reimagining these planters, you can create unique pieces that enhance your outdoor space while celebrating their original craftsmanship. Wooden planters have a timeless appeal, exuding warmth and natural beauty that plastic or metal alternatives often lack. Their organic texture can complement various garden styles, from rustic to modern. However, over the years, these planters may succumb to the elements, leading to splintering, fading, or decay. Instead of discarding them, a thoughtful redesign can revive their charm and functionality, allowing them to serve as focal points in your garden. Before embarking on a redesign journey, it's essential to thoroughly assess the condition of your wooden planters. Examine them for structural integrity, checking for signs of rot, warping, or pest damage. If the wood remains solid and salvageable, you have a fantastic opportunity to breathe new life into these planters. Even those with minor imperfections can often be creatively incorporated into your design, allowing you to embrace their history while enhancing their appeal. The first practical step in the redesign process is cleaning the planters. Begin by removing any old soil and debris, then wash them with a mixture of soap and water. Use a soft brush to scrub away dirt without damaging the wood. After cleaning, let the planters dry completely in a well-ventilated area. This preparation is crucial, ensuring that any paint or finish applied later adheres properly and enhances the overall look. Choosing a modern aesthetic for your redesigned planters is vital to creating a cohesive look in your garden. Research various styles, such as minimalist, industrial, or bohemian, to determine what resonates with your personal taste. Modern design often emphasizes clean lines, simplicity, and functionality, so think about how these principles can inform your redesign. Whether you opt for bold colors or subtle tones, having a clear vision will guide your creative process. One of the most effective ways to modernize wooden planters is through painting or staining. Select high-quality, eco-friendly paint or stain to ensure durability and environmental safety. Bold colors like deep navy or vibrant yellow can make a striking statement, while neutral shades like gray or white can provide a sleek backdrop for your plants. Additionally, consider using a weather-resistant sealant to protect your newly painted planters from the elements, extending their lifespan. Incorporating geometric patterns into your design can add a contemporary flair to your wooden planters. Use painter's tape to create sharp lines and shapes, then paint over them for a modern look. This technique can range from simple stripes to intricate designs, depending on your comfort level and creativity. Geometric patterns not only enhance the visual interest of the planters but also allow for personal expression and style. To prolong the life of your wooden planters, consider adding liners. Liners made of materials like plastic or fabric can help retain moisture and prevent soil from directly contacting the wood, which can lead to rot. Moreover, liners can serve as a design element, so choose colors or textures that complement your modern aesthetic. Whether you opt for a sleek black liner or a colorful fabric, this addition enhances both functionality and style. Incorporating modern hardware can elevate your planter design significantly. For instance, sleek metal handles or brackets can add a touch of sophistication while also serving practical purposes. Choose materials like stainless steel or brushed aluminum for a contemporary look. These hardware elements not only enhance the planter's functionality but also contribute to a polished overall appearance that aligns with modern design principles. To maximize space and add a modern touch, consider redesigning your planters to take advantage of vertical gardening. Create tiered planters or wall-mounted designs that allow for a stunning display of flowers and greenery without taking up valuable ground space. Vertical planters can be particularly effective in smaller gardens or urban settings, transforming limited areas into vibrant green spaces while showcasing your creativity. Combining wood with other materials can create a striking contrast and elevate your planter's design. For example, pairing wooden planters with metal accents can introduce an industrial vibe, while adding stone elements can enhance a rustic charm. Experiment with different combinations to find a unique look that resonates with your style. This approach not only modernizes the planters but also celebrates the beauty of diverse materials. Adding lighting to your wooden planters can enhance their appeal, especially during evening gatherings. Consider integrating LED lights or solar-powered garden lights into your design. These can illuminate the planters and highlight the plants within, creating a captivating ambience. Whether you choose subtle underlighting or decorative string lights, this addition can transform your garden into a magical space at night. One of the joys of gardening is the ability to change the decor with the seasons. Redesigning your wooden planters allows for seasonal decorations that keep your garden looking fresh year-round. Consider using interchangeable elements, such as decorative stones, seasonal flowers, or themed accents, that can easily be swapped out. This approach not only adds variety but also keeps your garden dynamic and engaging. Redesigning old wooden garden planters into modern decor is a fulfilling project that combines creativity and sustainability. By infusing contemporary elements into these timeless pieces, you can create unique and functional garden accents that reflect your personal style. Embrace the transformation process, and enjoy the satisfaction of revitalizing these cherished items while enhancing the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. Your redesigned planters can become not just containers for plants, but statements of your artistic vision and commitment to eco-friendly gardening. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you found inspiration and practical ideas for transforming your old wooden garden planters into modern decor. Your support means the world to us, and we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more creative content like this. If you enjoyed what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and share the video with friends and fellow gardening enthusiasts.